Imagine making $270 a day selling a super premium PDF that you can have live and published within 10 minutes. After you watch this video, not only will you be able to access the premium PDF, but you will also be able to access the matching sales page that will sell your PDF, as well as the ad creator for paid ads. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to pdfvault.so, link in the description of this video. Let me get out my calculator right here because I will need it for this video because we're going to add some stuff up. So PDF Vault allows you to access exclusive PDFs with full resale rights. Every single PDF within the vault comes with a sales page, which you will never find anywhere else online, as well as a mock-up that will sell your product for you on social media. So a lot of people don't have the sales images to actually make sales, and people don't understand that this is what makes most of the sales, a sales page and sales images. Whenever you go ahead and license a PDF from PDF Vault, it comes with all three of them, the premium PDF, the sales page, and the mock-up. So you get all three. So if we scroll down right here, right now within the Vault, you will be able to access three different PDFs. You got a choice if you can access all three of them and license all three of them, or just one if you want. We have right now the 90-day credit score comeback, the AI income toolkit, the 14-day reconnection protocol. All three of these PDFs right here are meant to make sales around the clock because they solve a very serious problem within each niche. Right here, people want to raise their credit score. Right here, people want to master AI and get the best of the best prompts and done for you templates. Right here, people want to save their marriage. All three of these are problem solvers, and you can have access to resell them immediately. As you can see right here, you'll pay $29 for a license fee, and this is one-time fee, and only $9 a month hosting. Let's say if you are reselling the AI income toolkit for $27, all you would have to make is one sale a day, 27 times 30, and you'll make $810 a month with one sale a day, and you're only paying $9 a month. That's less than 30 cents a day. I mean, you would have to personally do the math on that. I mean, $9 a month is less than 30 cents a day that you'll be paying in order to access a potential $810 a month income, and that's only with one sale a day. Well, let's say if you are somebody that get three sales a day, 27 times 3, $81 a day times, let's say 30 days in a month, $2,430, and you'll still only pay $9 a month. That is less than $10. So that's why the PDF Vault is extremely powerful, because it allows you to unlock unlimited income. Once you go ahead and license your PDF, watch this right here, how powerful this is. You will go ahead and gain access to a dashboard that looks just like this. Within the Vault, we'll also have training videos that will tell you how to set all of this up, as well as how to market on Facebook and Instagram. So you'll be able to click right there. Those two are coming soon, right here within the next probably day or two. So once you go ahead and license your product and you're ready to start selling your PDF, you will have a sales page link right here ready to promote instantly, but you'll have to add your payment details. But let me go ahead and copy this right here and let me paste it. Here go my sales page already ready to go. I can even add my logo to this sales page in the settings. So if we scroll down the 14-day reconnection protocol, I can scroll down. This is the sales page right here. All I got to do is click that copy button and start selling my product after my payment details are saved. And I will go ahead and start promoting my PDF right away. This is extremely powerful, and it also comes with a thank you page as well. Let me get the thank you page. So after people purchase your PDF, they will also be redirected to this thank you page right here, or to whatever PDF that you promote. It comes with a thank you page. Every PDF within the Vault comes with a thank you page. So they will be redirected to download their PDF, and you can even add an extra button right here that sells another product, or that connects people to your social media, or however you want to do it. But this is a nice, short and sweet thank you page that your customers will be redirected to. So this has never been possible before. It's never been possible for you to start selling PDFs and have access to not only the PDF, not only the sales page, not only the thank you page, but also a premium mock-up as well. So this is the premium sales image right here. Let me click download. That comes with your PDF. So every PDF also comes with a very powerful mock-up. As you can see, I just downloaded the premium mock-up. This right here is what's going to be sitting in people's Facebook and Instagram feeds. This right here shows that it solves their problem. It's the 14-day reconnection protocol. Stop the drift, rebuild the bond, make him choose you again. This is for wives who want to save their marriage. So it has the price in there. It tells everything that's offered. So if people click on this, they are 10 times more likely to make a purchase because they see what's offered and they also see the price. So whenever you go ahead and license your premium PDF, no matter what PDF that you license, once again, it will come with its own sales image for you to go ahead and instantly start selling in, like on Instagram and on Facebook or whatever platform you want to choose to sell on. See, a lot of people have problems making bank online because once you go ahead and spend weeks creating your own PDF, then you got to go to Canva and create a sales image that will not look 1/10 this good right here. It won't even look as half as good as this does. So this is why this strategy works right here. And this is also why I've personally made millions of dollars selling PDFs, because I have the 3 steps that you need to make that a reality. So yeah, you can download your premium sales image once you license your PDF. So let me go over here. You can also download your PDF. Let's say if you say, okay, I don't want to do it the PDF vault anymore and sell with a sales page and a professional thank you page, which I don't know who would actually say that, but I want to go ahead and download my PDF and I want to sell it somewhere else. You're free to do that if you like, but of course, with the professional sales page and a professional thank you page and all of that, you're 10 times more likely to make way more money than just uploading it to Stand Store or Gumroad. You know, as you can see, because this looks so good right here, it's nearly impossible for a Stand Store page to look better than the actual sales page that comes with the PDF. So PDF Vault is definitely going to give you the bigger advantage when it comes to making way more sales, as you can see. So let me go down here, look at the analytics. Here, go to analytics, and this will allow you to track your page views and clicks and all of that. But yeah, you can add your Facebook pixel right here to track sales. So if you're running Facebook ads, again, that's what the mockup is for. It's for Facebook and Instagram ads. You can go ahead and add your tracking pixel right here to track your sales. But if I click edit sales page right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the edit sales page. You can upload your logo right here. You can go ahead and play around with the font sizes. You can edit the descriptions that you see. And this right here is going to be the checkout URL. If you are not within the United States, if you don't live in the US and you can't use Stripe, you can use a PayPal link right here. You can use a PayHip link right here. You can use whatever link you want to right here to collect your payments. It does not have to be Stripe. It can be any checkout company or any pay link can go right here for people to purchase your PDF. You can just go ahead and put that right there. And this right here, let's say whenever I set it up via Stripe and Stripe says, okay, you're uploading this product for sale, but where are your customers redirected after they make a purchase? Well, we have that ready for you as well. They are redirected to the thank you page. So you are somebody that can right now go from not being able to sell PDFs at all to someone that has professional PDFs for sale, just like I'm showing you right here in this video. This has never been possible before because it's so difficult to start selling PDFs. If you watch videos right here on YouTube, you will not find a single video showing you these exact steps and giving you this much power, because all they're going to tell you to do is do things the hard way and find some ideas with AI and ChatGPT and create a PDF on Canva. And it's just not going to work out the way this will right here. Anybody can gain access to a system like this and start really pushing out a PDF to make sales around the clock. So this is for super beginners right here. This is beginner friendly. And once you can copy a sales page link and just paste it onto social media and start generating sales whenever people make a purchase, of course. This has never been possible. It's never been this easy. And it also gives you the lazy way to start making bank with PDFs. So now you see that this video it lives up to its truth. This is the laziest way in the world and online to start selling PDFs this year and every year afterwards. So if you are somebody that want to gain access to the vault and you want to unlock super premium PDFs just like this one right here, if you missed the boat, go ahead and join the waiting list. But if you want to gain access to super premium PDFs just like the one that you watch me show you right here in this video, tap the link in the description. Go ahead and tap into PDF Vault. Go ahead and license whichever PDF you want to begin reselling immediately. Get up and running. Keep an eye out for this tab right here where we're going to have the setup process where I'm going to show you how to connect the payments and all of that. And also the ads where I'm going to show you how to do Facebook and Instagram ads with your PDF. Go ahead and tap in right now because this is not available anywhere else online. All you got to do is tap the link in the description. And once you do that, the sky's truly the limit. I'm not somebody that's new in this game. Again, I've been selling PDFs since 2009. So going on 20 years now, and I've been doing this a long time. So tap the link in the description. Go ahead and license your first PDF. And I look forward to seeing what you make out of this and the amount of money that you can potentially earn by tapping into PDF Vault.